If I devote all my time to my profession, I earn more. If I earn more, I have more amenities of life, comforts of life, luxuries of life. I divert most of my time and my energies to the cause of Allah. What does it mean? I'll have to tighten my belt. I'll have to lower my standard of living. So apparently it appears to be a bargain of loss. ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. If you have the real knowledge, if you know that the real life is the life of hereafter, وَإِنَّ دَارَ الْآخِرَةَ لَهِيَ الْحَيَوَانُ لَوْ كَانُوا يَعْلَمُونَ, then you will know that this is better. Devote yourself, dedicate your time, your energies, your work potential, your capabilities, your intelligence, your understanding, your money, your wealth, your sons, your daughters. They are also assets for you. Devote them for the cause of Allah. Train them for the cause of Allah. Bring them up in a manner that they also become your helpers in this cause.